Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is 师傅 JJ. If you want to have a fresh energy to start your day, to join me the Kung Fu workout at the morning. Let's go. Attention. Your right hand become fist and left hand become palm and put together. Bow. Hands down. Let's start first move. Ready? And open it and twist. Good. Go. Bow. And ready. Great. 1 and 2 and straight. Let's start vertical punch and come back and punch and come back and waist twist with a little bit slightly get more power and go punch shoot and come back and punch and come back and more power and come back. Great. So go 1, quick come back and be bigger one. That's great. So go 1 and 2 come back. Go 1 and 2 and reset and 1 and 2 and come back and 1 and 2 and come back. Go 3 and tap and ready. Go 1 and 2 and 2 go 4 and hit and shoot. Go 1 and 2 and come back. Go 1 and 2. Okay, next exercise. Jumping jack 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both hands become fist on your waist. Find your knee and straight and push with your single fingers. Go, come back and 2. Straight. Go 1, 2, straight. 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 20 times. You switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. This time, we're going to do low stance. Ready? Go 1 and 2 and straight. And 1 and 2 and straight. 1, 2 and straight. 1, 2 and straight. 1 more power. 2 and straight. 1, 2 and straight. 2 more. 1, 2, 1, 2 and straight. Great work. Now we're gonna put them together, right? So open your leg. So 4, 1, 2, straight. 4, 1, 2, straight. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, straight. 4, 5, 6, 7. Stand up. Ready. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready. 1, take your hand. 2, come back your waist. 3, 4, twist your toes. More power on your hand. Take your hand, push. Do your body work, twist forward. Go 1, 2, power. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One connect, cross, and open, cross, and open, cross, and power. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. By your knee and power. By your knee, power. By your knee and power. Come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. One last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. One more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Great work so far. Let's put everything together. Let's go. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. One last time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's all for today. I hope you have a good workout to have a beautiful day. I see you in next video and bye bye.